Hello students, in this previous video we have gone through the overview of the MS Word uh, 2010. Okay, so MS Word basically in this chapter we will use the Microsoft Office 2010 as the word processor. Okay, so we have seen the overview of the word processor. Okay, so in the overview lecture we have seen the file tab, title bar, minimize, maximize, quick access toolbar, status bar, document window, horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, ribbon. Okay, so there are many things. So I recommend you to go through the page number 59 as well as the page number 58. So if you find any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section as well as you can ask me in the WhatsApp. Okay. So today we shall discuss about some basic operation, that is some basic operation in the Microsoft Office 2010, that is how to save a document, how to open a document, how to close a document. Okay, so in the second class we have seen studied the how to save a document, how to open a document. Okay, so but the network was not clear, so that's why I'm repeating. So the procedure to open the MS Word 2010. Okay, so these are the steps. These are the steps to open an already saved document. So to open an already saved document, you need to click the file tab, then the backstage view appear. Okay, so I'm going to the Word. I'm clicking the file menu. A backstage view will appear. Okay, so what is the next step? In the next step, it is written that click on the open option. Okay, so we are opening the already saved document, so we need to click on the open option. Okay, so we need to click on the open option. We need to click on the open option, so a dialog box or a window will appear. Okay, so you need to give the you need to go to the path. Okay, this is the address as well as the, suppose this is the path. Okay, so if I go to the go to that part. Okay, so I have different documents here. Okay, so I can open any document. If I need to open any document, I just click the document and I will click the open document. Okay, so your document will be opened. Okay, so these are the steps to open a document, already saved document. Okay, so the next step is saving a document. Okay, so to save a document, again you need to go to the MS Word and you need to click on the file tab. Backstage view will appear. In this backstage view, you need to click the save or save as button. Okay, so if you click on the save button, so if the document is already saved, then your document will be updated. If you want to save the file as a new or a copy of that document, okay, so you need to click the save as. Okay, so if I click on the save as the file is already saved now, the file is already saved. Okay, so I'm making the copy of the file. So the window, this particular dialog box or the window appears. Okay, so I need to specify the name as well as I need to specify the path. Okay, so if I want to save in any document in any folder, okay, so I will go to that folder and I will give the file name. Okay, and then I will click on the save button. So these are the steps to save to save a document. Okay, so next step is creating a new document. Okay, so to create a new document, you need to go to the file tab. Okay, so in the file tab you need to click on the new one that appears on the left portion. Okay, so I am going to the I am going to click the file option, then I have found the new option. Okay, so I will click the new. So in this new option you will get the different inbuilt templates. Okay, so you can use any of the inbuilt templates. If you don't want to use any inbuilt templates, you want to customize at your own, so you can click the blank document. Okay, so when you will click the blank document, after clicking the blank document, you need to click on the create button. Okay, so when you will click on the create button, a new document or new blank document will be created. Okay, so this is a new blank document. Okay, so in this blank document you will see no name is specified. Okay, so if you save the document, then your document name will be specified here. So these are the steps to create a new document. Okay, so please go through the book, and if you find any confusion, then ask me. Okay, so how to close a document? So if you want to close any particular document, so we'll go to the file tab, then we'll click on the close button. Okay, suppose I'm going to the file tab and I'm going to the click on the close button. Okay, so this if I click on the close button, so it will close the particular document. Okay, so this particular document is closed. Okay, so yeah, these are the steps to close close the document. Okay, so there is a practice time question. Okay, so for practice time question, yeah, you please as I explained in the last class, so what is perishable and non-perishable? Perishable means those items that have limited lifespan. Okay, so this means small lifespan. Okay, and non-perishable. So non-perishable means it has better lifespan. Okay, so you need to create a document. Okay, so a document like this in this manner. Okay, so you need to you need to type the perishable food items, and then you have to type the particular folder. Okay, so then again you need to write the non-perishable foods, uh, then you have to write this. Okay, so then you need to save the document. So as I told you how to save the document. Okay, so you have to process this step. Okay, so what is the next step? Okay, so next step is how to edit a document. So basically editing means making changes to your text. Okay, so what provides you with the tools to edit your text. In some cases you need to select the text before you can make changes. So let us know how to do it. Okay, so sometimes you need to select that text. Suppose this is the text. Okay, so if I need to select that, if I need to change the font, okay, or font size, so I need to select the text. Okay, so that's why we need to there is a need to select option. Okay, we need to select any particular text. Okay, so suppose I'm writing some lines. Okay, suppose, okay, so these are the 4 lines and there are some words like, okay, so these are the words. So now we'll see how we'll select this line, and how we'll select a word. Okay, how we'll select a sentence. So so the steps are selecting a text. So one step is text can be selected using the mouse on the keyboard. Okay, so the selected text gets a gray background. Okay, so as I told you how to select a text, you just need to click on the leftmost position, you go to the left of the sentence. Okay, so and drag the mouse, okay, up to how much you want to select. Okay, so if I go to second line, so up to the second line will be selected. Okay, so this is a one step. Okay, so this is a one procedure you can select a text. Okay, so so there are many steps to select any document. Okay, so these are the procedure that I used in that previous slide. Okay, so in the previous clip, so you need to go to the you need to place the cursor to the left of the first character of the selected, as I showed you. So press at the left mouse of the button and drag the mouse up to the position where you want to select, that is up to which you want to select. Okay, and then you press the left button. So then release the button, the selected text gets highlighted. Okay, so as you have seen that now I have clicked the leftmost of the position of the word, and I have dragged the mouse up to the second line. Okay, so this particular text gets selected, and it appears in a gray format. Okay, so then I can change the style of that word. Okay, so then we have then there are many ways to select any particular word. Okay, so to select any particular word, we just need to click the double click the word. Okay, so suppose you want to select a word, suppose you want to select the word GGUI. Okay, so I just need to double click. Okay, so this particular word will be selected. Okay, similarly if you want to select a line of text, okay, so click on the selection bar to the left of the line. Okay, so selection bar, how you will identify which area is selection bar? Selection bar is that position. Okay, so beyond this line. Okay, so this line is the selection line. Okay, this particular position is the selection bar. Okay, so if I double click on the selection bar, so this particular line will, or sentence will be selected. Okay, suppose if I full stop and I give, okay, suppose this is a word, okay, or this is a sentence. So if I double click, this particular line will be selected. Okay, so this particular line. uh, so what is the task step? To select multiple lines. To select multiple lines, we need to click and drag the selection bar to the left of the lines. Okay, so if you need to select multiple line, you just need to go to the selection bar. Okay, so what is selection bar? So we have gone to the selection bar and we are dragging the mouse. Okay, so up to which line you want to select, so we just need to move the cursor to that position. Okay, after dragging the mouse, you need to go to that line. Okay, so those sentence will be selected. So another way you can select a suppose you want to select a paragraph. Okay, so you just need to double click the selection bar or triple click anywhere on the paragraph. Okay, so if you want to select a particular paragraph, so you just need to double click the selection bar or triple click anywhere in the paragraph. Okay, so double click the selection bar, I have double click the selection bar, so you have seen. So if I click triple click, again you can see that the particular line or paragraph is selected. Okay, this particular paragraph is selected. So this is the procedure to select a paragraph. Okay, so how to select a particular sentence? So if you want to select a particular sentence, you need to click the press and hold the control and click anywhere on the sentence. Okay, so suppose in this particular paragraph, okay, so there are two sentences. Okay, so this is a full stop. Now after full stop there is another sentence. Okay, so suppose you want to select this particular sentence. Okay, this particular sentence, so you need to click the control button and we need to click the control button and we just click the sentence. Okay, so this particular sentence will be highlighted. Okay, this means only this particular sentence will be selected, not the whole paragraph. Okay, so this is the procedure to select a particular sentence. Or okay, so suppose you want to select the entire document. Okay, so if you want to select the entire document, you just triple click the selection bar. Okay, so if you triple click the selection bar, the entire document will be selected. Okay, so I am going to the selection bar and I am triple clicking the selection bar. Okay, 1 2 3. So you see the all the sentences are selected. Okay, so in the last classes we have studied up to this much. Okay, so I am not going beyond this. So in the next online class we will start from that position. Okay, so we will start from that point. Okay, so if you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, so any confusion, how to save, how to open, okay, so how to select, so you can ask me in the comment section, as well as you can directly ask me in the WhatsApp. Okay, so thank you.